All right, so today what I wanted to do is walk you through the process of getting into the exam, the replacement exam for your course. I'm going to do it through my college algebra section, okay? And I'm going to go to student view so I can see exactly what you see as a student. Here we go. So one of the things you'll notice is on the left-hand side, you'll see Secure Exam Proctor or Proctorio, okay? What you need to do is you need to make sure that you're in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, okay? Both of those browsers should be able to handle Proctorio. So what you'll do, I have it installed already, but you'll click on it and it'll basically take you through this installation process to add it to your browser. And you have to make sure you go through that process, okay? Since I've already got it installed, I'm just going to go back to the home, okay? And to take the exam, okay, what I would suggest doing first and foremost, I would go into the replacement exam review and I would work through this as much as you possibly can, okay? Take your time, work through it. Make sure you're comfortable with the process. Just as a reminder, when you actually are taking the real replacement exam, instead of giving you 5 opportunities on each question, you're only going to be given 2. So you want to make sure that you are spending the time it takes to review before you go in and take the actual exam itself. Okay, so I'm going to click on replacement exam, which is remotely proctored, and it'll give me some instructions here. Okay, Proctorio is required for this exam. If you have not followed directions for getting Proctorio, you must do it before going any further. I'm going to go ahead and take it with Proctorio. Okay, and then you're going to get a whole bunch of instructions here. So really all it's going to do is tell you what's allowed, what's not allowed. Now, one thing I want to point out, I'm on a dual monitor here, so it's not going to let me take this exam. But if I unplugged my monitor, in fact, I'll try doing it. I have no idea what's going to happen to the video if I do this, so give me just a second. And I'll unplug. It's probably you're gonna see my OBS show up on the other screen. Oh, it doesn't. See, there it goes. All right. Well, that was funny. Whoa, hello. That's freaky. And I don't want go away Spotify. Okay. So apparently I'm still recording. So yeah. So what'll happen is you'll hit continue here. It'll do a connection. You'll click on the one screen that you want it to record. Okay. And then continue along. Hit share. You'll get the little notification down at the bottom says that your screen is sharing. It's about to begin, so make sure you go to the bathroom, get some water, you get comfortable, and then you'll hit next. You want to begin, you'll accept taking the exam. And then what you'll do is you'll get the instructions. Now I'm going to gray this password out because I just don't want you to see it yet. But the password will be given to you, and when you open this, which it's not going to let me do right now, because I'm in student view, you can actually go ahead and begin taking the exam after you enter the password. So this will redirect you directly to WebAssign. You can take the exam from there by entering the password and then just work through it like you normally would. So you'll have, I believe, 3 hours to complete the replacement exam, which should be far more than enough time for you to take it. A couple of things I want to point out really quick. I am not going to be helping anyone on the weekend. So if you want help with getting this exam taken care of, you need to do it before Friday. Saturday and Sunday are my time with my family. I am not going to be working to correct any issues you have with getting into this replacement exam, okay? So you have plenty of opportunity from now until then to take care of it. So please take advantage of it. Otherwise, you're on your own, okay? So that being said, once you're done, after that, you can come back here into the replacement exam, just hit submit, and you'll be all set. Now, make sure you don't click submit before you go and take the actual exam. Otherwise, it's going to kick you out. So click the link, open up the exam, okay? Take it. Once you're done there, then go back into Canvas and then click submit and you're done. Okay. So I got done. That was my attempt. And it should be 0 out of 0, so you should have nothing to worry about there. The exam score will be transferred into Canvas a few minutes after you take it. Usually it takes like 10 to 15 minutes. So if you're like, hey, my exam score didn't show up, it's okay. It takes time for the systems to communicate. So if you have any questions, please let me know before Friday, end of the day, and I will do my best to get back with you. Again, I am not going to be checking my emails and trying to help you on the weekend because you decided to wait until the last minute to do this. So let me know. I hope you figure this out, and happy testing. Let me shut this off.